Hey guys, so today I just want to show you my new lock for my bike, and I definitely show you how to put it on. So this is a U-shaped bike lock. It's worth all the money. I got it on eBay for about just below 10 pounds, so not really bad. So let's open it up and see how to put it on the bike. So I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to get it. So why not? Yep. So I've opened everything up, and so to unlock it, just turn the key clockwise. And it's out. So yeah. So I'm gonna get my bike and I'll show you how to put it on. Yep. So this is my bike right here, and the lock, the keys, and all the bolts right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna put this part here on, just like this. Just put it on, just like that. Make sure it's just below this, so that when you fix the bolts in, you can see that you can have enough space for this to fit in. So now let's put in the bolts. You're gonna wanna get one of these ones and put them inside. It's pretty much the basic stuff that we all know. And when all that's done, you're ready to go. Yep. Have a nice one.